So I originally made this channel for my art students in school, so that I could just post videos there that I wanted to show them and work on. But now that we're in this like really surreal time where everybody has to stay at home and us art teachers are stuck teaching from home, I wanted to do something to help people out and trying to figure out what else to do at home, because ultimately there's only so much Netflix you can watch, there's only so many video games you can play, to a point where you're kind of sick and tired of looking at screens. At least I am. And that's when people start doing other things. And even if you believe you're lifelong that you can't draw, the reality is that you can actually draw. For some reason with art, there's this weird notion that if you don't have talent you can't do it, which is just completely untrue. It works just like anything else. You practice, you'll get better at it. What I really also made these videos for is for other teachers who are at home, who are trying to put together distance learning plans or remote learning plans, who need videos for their students, or maybe you're a homeschooling parent. So that's what these videos are going to be for. Yes, I will also post videos that are true assignments for my students. I will put videos in the playlist that you see below for those people who need to teach either at home, or who need to teach from home, or those people who are just bored out of their brains in this time of having to stay at home and who just want some step-by-step art videos so they can learn to draw too. Anyway, I just really hope that these videos will make your day a little easier, so good luck.